What's going on with the YouTube? It's your boy Lil Mikey coming at you on that video of car audio install. So I already got the first part down packed. I got the hot wire in. Got it coming through the firewall right there. And zip tie it up. Put a fuse on it. See it going through right there. Got it tucked away, going up on the through there. And we're also gonna install line output converter because, as you see, he has a stock radio. So he has one Memphis 12 on some old ass amp. So stay tuned.
Your face is priceless.
What's going on with YouTube? So I'm back at you with another video. Last time we got to do is put on the ground wire, tape up the other wires, and finish hiding these wires. And I'll bring y'all a video. And this the owner.
What's up, YouTube? This is Kent with another vlog. And today, we here Michael fucking up my speakers. When he blow me up, we don't know.
Hey, he keep talking shit. I'm talking about how that motherfucker blew up by the time he pulled out the old. Alright, YouTube, we got it all done. Turn it up a little bit. Lil Mikey Customs, y'all come get it done.